I'm Kimberly from the Fat Quarter Shop, and I'm excited to show you the June 2020 Sew Sampler box and show what delivered to your door. In our box, we have hand selected all of these items just for you. So the first item is a 5-piece Fat Quarter bundle. We used a combination of All Hallows Eve and Christmas figs too for a 5-piece Fat Quarter bundle to make you a juicy quilt. Our second item is a brand new rotary blade because you know we all need that. Our third item is a newer product on the market by Gypsy Quilter. It's a spot-on magnifying dot, and what you do is you put it on your ruler and it will magnify so that if you are having trouble seeing some of the lines, it will help you see better. Next, we have brand new macaron storage. They're super cute, would be great for retreats. You just put in, you can put buttons, clips, safety pins, anything in there, and you just seal it right up. And what ties the whole box together is our brand new Orange You Glad quilt pattern that is just wonderful. And it comes with a throw version option and a lap option for more variety. We also have our Greatest Hits Track 3 pattern in the box, and at the end of the 12 months, you will have 12 blocks. Aren't you glad you signed up for the Sew Sampler box at Fat Quarter Shop?